You started this Avon business to make money. And in order to make money, you need customers. But you don't have enough customers to make the kind of money that you want to make at this business. I get it. I want you to be successful. And the way to be successful is not to always be your own best customer. You want to have customers to help you make money in this business. So today, on this episode, what we're going to go through is 10 reasons why you might not have Avon customers and how to fix them.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
My name is Jennifer Francis, and I am a nationally ranked #1 leader and top seller with Avon and the founder of TimelessBeautyLife.com. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and connect with me over on social media. You'll find the links to connect with me down in the description box below. Are you an Avon representative looking for help with your Avon business? You should join Timeless Beauty Lessons, our amazing Facebook group just for Avon representatives. It's led by some of the top leaders in the entire nation. You'll find the link to join down in the description box below. Have you thought about becoming an Avon representative? Well, now is the time to join Avon. For more information, find the link down in the description box below, or if you're ready to join right now, click that link below, fill in your personal information, and decide which option is best for you, and then complete your sign up.
The first reason you might not have Avon customers might seem pretty obvious, but maybe it isn't so obvious. You might not have Avon customers because you're not sharing your business. And when I say that you're not sharing your business, I mean you're not making personal connections with people and collecting contact information in return. I don't mean leaving your brochure, your brand new brochure that you paid money for, at a gas station, at a doctor's office, or in somebody's yard, just hoping that somebody picks it up and calls you and places an order. So maybe you're not sharing your business. Take a look at your social media profile. If you look at your profile, do your friends and family, based upon that profile, know that you sell Avon? If they don't, they need to. And I don't mean making your entire feed one big Avon advertisement. But do you have your Avon link in your profile? Did you know that you can add a works at category when you go into the settings of your Facebook profile to show your business page? You don't want to link it to Avon's business page. You want to link it to your own. And you want to make sure that you have that e-store link somewhere in your profile where people can shop, so that when you do share something, it's easy for them to go there and find it. And again, I want to stress, I do not want you to make your entire social media feed one big Avon advertisement, sharing pre-populated images from your e-store, one right after another, 100 times a day. But I do want people to look at your profile and know that you sell Avon. Us into the next reason you might not have enough Avon customers, and that's because you don't have a big enough network. Now, you can add onto your social media profile that you sell Avon, and you absolutely should. But if you only have 20 people or 200 people on your friends list, those posts that you do end up making about Avon are probably getting lost in the shuffle, and a majority of the people aren't seeing it. And for more information on that, I'm going to leave a resource down in the description box below about some things that you might be doing wrong when you sell Avon online, and some ways that you can sell Avon online successfully. If this is you and you don't have a big enough network to generate sales in your Avon business, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to get patient. First of all, it's going to take time, because you are going to have to concentrate very hard on building your network. And in order to build your network, you're going to have to be actively making connections to bring people into your circle. And you don't want those connections to be just about, I sell Avon. Do you want to buy Avon? Here's an Avon brochure. You want to make a genuine connection with people and connect people to you in an effort to grow your network and eventually have more people to talk to about your business. Another reason you might not have Avon customers is because you're not following up. We talked about this in the first reason why you might not have Avon customers. It is so important to follow up. The fortune is in the follow-up. So if you're just handing out brochures or leaving brochures at the post office or doctor's offices or gas stations or in somebody's yard, and you're not collecting that follow-up information in return, you may as well just go and lay a $5 bill down at each of those places that you're leaving brochures. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a good book toss, and I do leave my brochures around town. However, I leave old brochures with contact information of mine that says, contact me for a brand new brochure. And when somebody contacts me, guess what? I have their contact information. So if you aren't gathering contact information and following up, here's how to fix it. A lot of people don't want to collect contact information. A lot of representatives feel uncomfortable about saying, hey, can I have your phone number to follow up? And I agree, like that sounds so, I don't know. I can't get comfortable saying that. So I like to make it about the other person. Who doesn't love to win products? How about $300 in products? Who doesn't love to win $300 in products or have the chance to win $300 in products? So a different way to go about it is to say something like this. When is the last time you've seen an Avon brochure? Oh, well, can I give you one? Hey, you know what? Let me get your phone number. I'm going to text you a link where you can sign up for the chance to win $300 in Avon products. I'm going to text you that link right now. What's your phone number? And then you text them that link, and the link that you're going to send them is to your Avon sweepstakes, which you can find on your own store. You can find the link, save it in the notes section of your phone, and then text that out to them. Now, two things have happened. Number one, when they sign up for that sweepstakes, they're going to be automatically entered into your address book and connected to you as their Avon representative, number one. So Avon is going to be sending marketing communication on your behalf. But number two, you have their phone number so that when you are going to be placing your Avon order, you can give them a call or shoot them a text. Hey, I'm putting my order in and I didn't want to miss you. What did you love that you saw in the brochure? Did you see this deal on page, whatever it is? And then they'll obviously, because you followed up, text you back with an order. Another thing that you might be doing wrong, and it's why you don't have Avon customers, is that you're making everything all about you. And I get it. I so get it. Like, you want this to work. You're excited. You want to make that extra income on the side, and you think that you really have to hustle hard and you have to sell people, right? You have to go out there and give them the hard sell. But that is so self-serving, and people don't want to feel like they're being sold to. So if you change your perspective from what can I get? What sales can I get? Who can I get to buy? To how many people can I help? How many problems can I solve? You will start to look at things differently, and you will start to have different conversations with those potential customers. It will come more from a place of trying to provide solutions to their problems and being a solution instead of a salesperson. You'll have more natural conversations with people where you generate conversation and then you recommend the perfect product based upon a problem that you hear in the conversation. Into our next thing that you might be doing wrong, and it's the reason why you don't have Avon customers. You are trying to get rich quick instead of developing a long-term strategy to give you a long-time results in your business, right? This is not a get rich quick scheme. I don't know, if somebody told you that you were going to make however many dollars by tomorrow, run. Because that's not what this is. This is developing a long-term pattern of behavior and getting those behaviors to add up incrementally over time to give you a long-term residual business. So if you're getting frustrated because you've been doing this for a week and you haven't gotten one sale yet, you're not alone. You're not alone at all. Most people are like that. It takes a long time to develop a customer base, to follow up, and it takes work and it takes grit. But if you want to learn how I do it in just an hour a day, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below for a workbook that you can download that'll give you my exact DMO. You might have heard him in the last clips. So somebody woke up, and we're going to try to get through and give you these last few tips together on why you might not have Avon customers. Maybe you don't have Avon customers because you aren't taking care of your current customers. We put so much emphasis on new customer acquisition that sometimes we forget to follow up with our old customers or our typical or regular customers, and they want you to massage that relationship with them as well. And here's one way that you can do it. Keep track in your Avon account. There's a place where it says customer follow-up, and you can see when the last time some of your customers ordered, and you can see what they ordered. And you would follow up something like this: hey Sue, the last time you ordered was like 3 months ago, and you've got to be out of your day cream, or you've got to be getting close to being out of this product. I don't want you to run out, and I'm placing my order on this day. Can I grab you another one? And then you recommend another product that you know that she might love. And that's how you generate residual sales. If you spend all your time on new customer acquisition, you're missing an opportunity to really grow that sales base. The next thing that you might be doing wrong is that you're talking to the same people every campaign. And we actually mentioned this a little bit in the first example. You don't want to be talking to the same people every campaign because your warm list is going to get burnt out. People only have so much money to spend, and there's only so many beauty products that they need, right? So you have to constantly be actively attempting to grow your network of people. And by grow your network of people, I mean bringing people into your circle and creating conversations with them so that eventually you have more people to talk to about your Avon products. Another thing that you might be doing wrong, and it could cause you to not have any Avon customers, is all you talk about is your product. If I go to your social media page and it's one product picture after another with prices, and the only thing you're always just trying to sell me something, and like, I'm going to be instantly turned off, okay? And I'm going to probably not want to interact with you anymore. And then Facebook or social media is going to stop showing me all of your posts altogether. And it just is all around not going to be a good thing for your business. So again, you'll want to create those conversations and look at it as making new friends, expanding your network. So when somebody has a problem, you have the solution for their problem, not actively trying to sell them something every single time that they see you or every single time that you talk. Here is the absolute biggest mistake that I see people make when it comes to selling Avon, and it's probably the biggest reason why people don't have Avon customers. If you're not using your own products that you sell, why should anybody else use it? If you're not your own customer, why should anybody else be your customer, right? When you use the products that you sell, it gives you an authentic way to talk about those products and give your own authentic experience with those products. Now, I don't want you to be your best customer, but I do want you to be your own customer. I think that you can slowly integrate products that you sell into your home as you run out. You don't need to go out and stock your whole home tomorrow to be authentic, but as you run out of dish soap, buy dish soap from yourself. As you run out of skincare, buy it from yourself. As you run out of personal care items, soap, dish detergent, laundry soap, there's so many things. Check your online store and see if you sell that product, and then buy it from yourself, and then use that opportunity to create conversations around that product and tell people what you're using. We all recommend movies that we're watching on Netflix or Hulu or whatever, right? Recommending products that you use is really no different, but you have to use them first. So if you are going to the big box store to buy your shampoo, girlfriend, you better stop that right now. Go and buy that from yourself when that big box store shampoo runs out. And then the last thing that I want to mention that you might be doing wrong, and this is why you don't have Avon customers, maybe you are trying to talk to the wrong people, okay? I want to tell you something. When you try to talk to everybody, you end up talking to nobody. There is a perfect person out there that is looking for what you have. And you have to define who that perfect person is. And you have to talk to them specifically in a way that is interesting and define what is important to them. So this is called your niche, and you need to define who that is and why they should follow you and what you have to offer to them, and then start talking to them specifically about what they need. I hope this was helpful. We've got to thank little Nate for helping us go through these 10 reasons why you might not have Avon customers and how to fix them. And we will see you next time.
A little bit about me. Again, my name is Jennifer Francis, and I was #1 in the nation for personal leader development. And I lead the Timeless Beauties, one of the fastest growing teams in the entire nation. I am a top recruiter in the company and ranked in the top 100 for my digital sales. That's online marketing. In addition, I served on Avon's 2020 Beauty Board, where I helped provide feedback about new products and business decisions. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, because I put out new videos for network marketers just like you every single week. And please share it with someone you know that it will help. Thank you so much for watching. Here are a couple of other videos you might like. See you next week.